right, this is how you can get more ideas upon ideas when you want to go very fast on YouTube on your faceless channel like Folktales, etc, showing people love stories and so on. So I went to YouTube, I watched a video. I actually searched for love stories video. So I watched a video and I really loved the video actually. So I came to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT, please, I watched a folktale, a story on YouTube about the title No Man Wanted Her. So I told ChatGPT, this is what I want, this is what I want. Can you please give me scripts? This is what I told ChatGPT, the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT actually gave me a very, very nice script. I really love this script. And I'm also going to replicate this. I'm going to replicate it. By the special grace of God, you all are going to see my new faceless channel by next week, by the special grace of God. This will be my very first video. My very first video. No man wanted her. Please don't mind this A-R-H-A-H. It is H-E-R. No man wanted her. So I actually told ChatGPT that I want it to be very curious, educational, and keeps viewer watching to the end. So it gave me this perfect script. So what am I going to do with this script? I'm going to copy. In my previous video, I've shown you how you can translate your text to speech. So I'm going to copy all these texts little by little. I'll transform them into text to speech. Then I'll also tell ChatGPT to create images prompt for me. Look at this hook now. I'll tell ChatGPT to create image prompts for this hook, image prompt for the opening scene. You can see there are three parts in the scene. So I'll tell ChatGPT to create images for me, images prompt. Then I'll copy the images prompts. I'll paste it on VO3 Nano Banana for it to generate the image for me. Then I'll get into my CapCut, edit it perfectly, upload on YouTube, and begin to blow. If you have gained anything from this YouTube channel, please make sure that you like, you share, and you subscribe, because I'm going to be unveiling lots and lots more. Do not forget to go back to my video to get how to convert your lyrics, your script to speech, so that you can get started. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.